Welcome to the Mr. Honey Show, ladies and gentlemen. Explore the crazy world from my retirement. Today I want to talk about remote. We use the remote control for everyone, for everything, for the TV, for the kitchen equipment, for the oven, microwave. We can control all with the remote control or with the cell phone. But I have some questions about this one. Why did the remote control bring a letter? Because it wanted to change the channel up high. And why did the remote go to the therapy? Because it was feeling little bit disconnect. So that's to the remote control, and now I show you what I have found in the garbage box. Enjoy! Ladies and gentlemen, that was a Mr. Honey Show. If you enjoy it, give me a like button and subscribe my channel. By the way, when I come back to the beach, I haven't found the remote control, so I have to buy a one-way ticket, very expensive, to come back. Okay, we see us next time in the Mr. Honey Show.